Hello there, beautiful one. My name is Faith Hunter, and I'm bringing you 4 simple somatic tools to assist you in reducing anxiety. Now, any of these tools can be done alone, or you can just join in this practice with me. We're going to do about 1 minute for each one, which will definitely help you reduce anxiety. So, first, I want you to drop into your breath. And I want you to do this in a way of breathing in through your nose and exhaling a big sigh. Oh. Taking an audible sigh starts to calm and soothe the nervous system. So you're going to do it 3 more times. Breathing in. Oh. Breathing in. Oh. And then 1 more time. Breathing in. Exhale. Oh. Now just allow your breath to flow naturally in and out of your nose. And we're going to come into our body container, our physical container. So you're going to take your left hand and slide it right underneath your right armpit. And then you're going to take your right hand and grab your left shoulder. And just breathe deeply in and out of your nose. Your eyes can remain opened or closed, but you can also just simply cast your eyes down. So whatever works for you, you're just arriving here, feeling into your container, feeling into your physical body. Observe and notice. Know that you are okay. You're connected to your breath, and that I'm here with you. A few more easy rounds of breath. Know that you can hold on a little bit tighter if you desire. Keep the shoulders relaxed and the breath slow and smooth. Feeling your feet beneath you, your hips. You're seated or standing, doesn't matter. Just feel yourself grounded into the earth, arriving in your body, your safe container. Take another breath in. Exhale slowly. And then slowly release your hands. And then I want you to start to just simply tap on the body a little bit. So nice little easy taps, moving through your hands, your upper body. Sometimes I like tapping around my chest a little bit with my fingertips. If you're seated or standing, you can tap on your legs. Just give your body a little love. So tap wherever it works for you. Even like to tap on my feet a little bit to do what feels right. Move through your neck, your head. And then after the tapping, I want you to actually take your hands and squeeze your physical body. Feel the muscles, the tissue. And if you need to continue a little tapping or mix the tapping up with the squeezing, know that you can do that as well. So you can tap, 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 and then a little massage. Even get the belly and the rib cage area. You can move through your head. All right. And then from there, I'm going to do our final one. You're going to place your left hand right over the center of your chest, your right palm on top of that. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And then coming into your current state of awareness. allowing yourself to completely and fully arrive as you breathe in and out, and maybe even move your right palm right over your forehead. Again, your eyes can remain open, closed, or slightly cast down, and just breathe into the spaciousness that you're creating, that safe container that you're holding for your body, your mind, and your heart. You can move your right hand now down to your belly and notice if there's a different sensation. And then move your right hand back up into the center of your chest, placing it on top of your left hand. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And then our last big sigh together, breathing in. Oh. Thank you so much for joining me. Know that you can come back to this practice anytime you need to, and definitely utilize these tools in your own personal life from day to day in those moments where you're navigating all the shifts and changes. Take care and stay spiritually fly. Ciao.